Hey everyone, Wade Vander here at DC Title Guy Consulting and DCTitleGuy.com. In today's video, I want to talk about why your title sales business may be struggling. And I get it, we're getting towards the end of the year, it's holidays and all that, but there's a lot of other reasons why your business is struggling. And there's a good chance that you already know why it's happening. You're just not addressing it, right? You're not making the change. You're not willing to get uncomfortable to do the thing that's going to correct the issues. With that said, I'm going to go through what I think are some of the big reasons why title sales reps are struggling. And if you are, please let me know if this resonates with you. Put it in the comments below. Number one, you are not using your phone to make phone calls. You're not prospecting, right? You might be sending direct messages on Instagram or texting. Very passive approach. Your phone makes phone calls, okay? So calling non-directing customers, calling your follow-ups, calling your prospects, calling people that you met at an event or a class, right? And you're having valuable and meaningful conversations on the phone, okay? Not over text. Is there a place for texting and direct messaging? Of course. Is it for prospecting people who don't really know you very well to convert them to an in-face appointment? No, right? Call these people and have meaningful conversations after you've established a relationship. Texting is okay, but not up front. Number two, you're not reaching out or calling your non-directing customers. And I realize if you're in Michigan watching this, that it's a little difficult there because it's two title companies usually on each deal. But for mostly all the other places, you have the opportunity to call the other side of the transaction and try to capture their business, right? Capture the appointment or get in front of them in some way. But you're not doing it, or you don't want to do it, right? It's uncomfortable. They don't know me. Well, guess what? They need to get to know you because they're on a file with your company right now, right? And if you start treating these non-directing customers just like you do the directing customers, your world will start to change, right? Because one, they don't expect it to. And two, when you do it and offer value and help them and want to get an appointment and learn more about their business, you're going to get more yeses than nos. Are you going to convert everyone? No. But you'll convert people and your business will start to grow. But it starts with making those phone calls and being systematic in your approach with those phone calls. The next one, why you might be struggling, people in your market don't know who you are, right? Because you are stuck in the title sales rep witness protection program, right? You may look great, you may sound great, you may be smart, you may be awesome, but if you hide in your office or you're unwilling to shoot videos or be on social media or teach classes or speak at events or be more well-known in your market other than the people who already send you business, it's a struggle, right? Because you're now dictating, your business is now being dictated on the existing customer base that you have. They need to do more deals for your business to grow versus, hey, more people need to know who I am and I need to establish credibility with these people so then they want to work with me and then I can add those people to the funnel and my business can start to grow. But if you're hiding and you don't want to shoot videos, you're not willing to teach and do all this other stuff, it's going to become a problem, okay? You got to get uncomfortable and do that. Next, your follow-up, crappy, right? Wait, I'm real good at getting the appointment. I'm real good at getting them to say they're going to send me business. I just forget about them afterwards because I'm off getting the next appointment and I'm calling the next person. I forgot all the people that I met with the last 2 weeks and I never followed up with them. I forgot to follow up with them. Well, if your follow-up stinks, it's because one, maybe you're not using a good CRM or not using anyone at all. You need to use a CRM, by the way. Or you just don't know really what to say on the follow-up. Well, I can follow up with them, but what do I say? Well, you got to have an approach to that, right? We teach that in coaching, but it's something that you need to know how to do, how to systematically approach, be pleasantly persistent, be in front of these people with value to get them to know, like, and trust you. And obviously, you're not going to convert people quickly all the time. I don't convert people quickly all the time. Sometimes it takes a while, but if you're being consistent with your follow-ups, it'll happen more than not happening. And the next reason why your title sales business might not be going the way you want it to is because your heart just isn't really in it, right? Yeah, it's a good job, man. Make my own schedule, fun, lunches, happy hours, golf, do my own thing. But in reality, you're not really a go-getter. It's not your thing. I mean, you do like the job, it's okay. You make enough money, but not great money. and you don't really want to do all the things that I'm talking about in the video or some of my other videos to really get your business way up here, because that's hard. It's a lot of work. And guess what? It is a lot of work, and it is hard, and there are more no's than yeses, and you got to go through a bunch of crap. But guess what? If you're willing to do all those things and you're willing to come out the other side, a lot of good things happen. But look, if your heart just isn't in the job, it's okay, right? There's a lot of realtors and lenders where it's just not a good fit for them. And make no mistake, we're in sales. This is a sales job, okay, where you need to be prospecting, converting people, follow-up strategies. You need to have a value proposition, maybe hopefully more than one, and you need to know how to dictate and get that value proposition across to people so that they start to work with you. But if you don't want to do those things, you want to hide in the shadows, not really prospect, always go the easy route. I mean, you could have some level of success in this job, but you're never going to be where you want it to be. And I can tell you this, if that's who you are and you are seeking help, we do offer a coaching program where you can sign up and get trained properly to get out of your comfort zone, yes, but also to go after those agents and convert them. So I'm Vander with DCTitleGuy.com. If you're interested in coaching, you want to talk about getting your business to the next level, or just you want to sharpen the knife a little bit, love to have that conversation. Fill out that form below. And if you're on YouTube, of course, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, the video, and feel free to reach out. Would love to hear from you. Thanks.